Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 18 of the Monday Leetcode Day Challenge. If you'd like, put the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this problem. Yeah, okay, today we have a easy one. I'm still in Buenos Aires. And what am I? I didn't do much today. I just had, uh, you know, I just kind of rest day planning day. You could kind of see, um, yeah, that's it. I don't know. Uh, no intro today because I don't know. I don't know. It was just me eating, so I don't know. Maybe that should have been one. In any case, let's take a look at today's problem. We have 1-bit and 2-bit characters. It's an easy problem. Let's just do it, and we can, I could catch up on some TV. All right. We have two special characters. The first character can be represented by 1-bit 0. The second character can be represented by 2 bits 1 0 1 1. Given a bit of bits that ends with 0, return true. The last character must be 1-bit character. I don't know what that means. This is easy, but I don't know. Oh, the first character. Okay, so bits. The only way to decode it is by 2-bit character and a 1-bit character. So the character is a 1-bit character. Okay, so that means that you have this, right? And then now you have 1 1. But then this 1 means that it has to be 0. I think they make it easy, and I guess this is 1,000, so you can maybe even do something crazy. But I guess the key thing to note is that if you have a 1, then you have to consume the next character. You have a 1, you have to consume the next character. There are no choices, right? So then you just kind of check for that. And the easy thing comes from the fact that it is only last character, so you don't have to choose the entire thing as valid. It's just that this has to be 1 bit, right? And that's it. And yeah, a 0 by itself you cannot extend anyway. So yeah, so maybe the way that I like to write it, you could. This is, I'm doing it with a Q just because that's easier to kind of think about it for the stream. I think how I would like to think about it is just with iterators and bits, because then now you're consuming them 1 at a time or 2 at a time, right? But maybe we can do that. Right, but synthetically this is easier, so I'm just gonna do it this way for now, right? So then now we go, okay, well, we got q.pop left, so then we have the first bit, right? Let's go A, right? So if A is equal to 0, then we continue, right? If A is equal to 1, then we have to do we just have to pop left. We don't actually even care about what it is for this problem because right? And then the question is, yeah, maybe you write like last is equal to true, right? Last is a 0, right? So otherwise, then last is equal to false, right? And this, I guess we don't really need an A is equal to 1 because that's the only other possibility. And then we just kind of return last, and that's it. Hopefully, because yesterday we had an easy one and I got 2 wrong answers. Maybe I should have tested a little bit more, but okay. Thankfully, today Larry is not. I was gonna say not stupid, but that made me not be precise. It's just that I got a little bit lucky this time, so let's stick that way. Oh yeah, how do you see my? I didn't, but I just kind of sat in a different place, and there's a Buenos Aires sign behind me. Apparently I'm very bad at left, right, because whatever. Anyway, that is all I have for this one. This is linear time. The way that I did is linear space because I used a queue, but you could use an iterator or something. You could just use a for loop really, but I'm just really lazy today. Because I just like to think about it in this way, not necessarily because it's needed for this problem, but it's just an easier way to think about it so that when you do harder problems, well, you have like something to fall back on. But that's it. That is all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. And yeah, stay good, stay healthy to your mental health. I will see y'all later and take care. Bye-bye.